seeing that the NTF-LCAC is a task force created by the President, will the palace hold accountable anyone in the NTF-LCAC responsible for sharing those red tagging posts about community pantry organizers?
I think the President has spoken through my office, the DILG has spoken, and unless their concern is about health protocols not being observed, they should let these community pantries alone.
So you're saying that the NTF-LCAC is wrong in red tagging these organizers of community pantries?
Let's just say the President welcomes all initiatives na makakatulong sa ating kababayan habang tayo'y nasa pandemya.
Sir, from Ace Romero, he just wanted this to be asked. Will the palace ask the anti-insurgency task force to stop linking community pantries with communism since there are concerns about the safety of organizers?
Decision na po nila yan. Basta nagsalita na po ang ating DILG Secretary at nagsalita na rin po ako bilang tagapagsalita ng Pangulo na dapat walang maghahadlang doon sa mga efforts na nagbabayanihan ng ating mga kababayan.
Mm-hmm. And sir, what will happen to NTF-LCAC officials who continue to make posts or make claims about community pantry organizers?
You know naman, that's part of the free marketplace of ideas. Sa tingin ko, kahit anong sabihin nila, basta nakikinabang ang taong bayan dyan, maniniwala pa rin ang mga kababayan natin sa community pantries.
Pero sir, so the danger here is yung red tagging po. Parang people fear that the posts by a government task force might attract danger, or people who think that, who believe in these posts na parang recruitment efforts yung community pantries, baka ma-endanger po yung buhay ng mga organizers ng mga pantries na to. So will the palace do anything to stop this kind of danger from bearing fruit?
Nagsalita na po tayo birang bibig ng Presidente, nagsalita na po ang kalihim ng DILG. Welcome po natin yung mga community pantries. Let's leave it at that.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.